Hey guys, I'm Dr. Chada. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss how to make toilet paper last because a lot of you aren't toilet paper rich like me. And how do I stay toilet paper rich? I use public toilets. Obviously it's disgusting, but I have toilet paper and you don't. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make the toilet paper you do have last. Alright guys, welcome back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make one toilet paper roll last you a long time. So like right here, 12 double rolls. This will last you a year or more. Actually, it'll last you about 12 years. If you read on the package, it'll say right here it has 242 two-ply sheets. I can't do math in my face because I skipped those classes, and who needed math when we were in elementary school? But 242 times 2 is a lot. That's more than a year. So one roll, if you split it in half, will last you an entire year. So I'm going to show you how to do that because that says 242 sheets. Sorry about that, but that's actually 242 shits per square. So we're going to double this up. So what we're going to do, we're going to take one square. Just one. I'm using single ply because I don't want to waste a double ply because we never know what's going to happen in this world. So you're going to take one square. You're going to fold it in half. You're going to fold it in half again. And then what you're going to do, where this corner meets right here, you're going to tear this off and save it for later. It's going to come in handy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to unroll this. This hole, we're going to take one finger. We're going to wipe with that finger. Now, some people prefer length over girth. It's totally up to you if you want to use your index finger, your pointer finger, or your thumb. I'm a length guy myself for obvious reasons. So what you're going to do is you're going to wipe with one finger. You're going to put that finger through the toilet paper. What you're going to do then is wrap the toilet paper, pull that off, and get as much of the doo-doo as you can. This you're going to throw away because you're not disgusting, right? But remember, we had that one little piece that we tore off. This was going to come in handy because now you're going to take this little piece and then get all the doo-doo off from underneath your fingernails. Just like that. And that allows you to use one piece of toilet paper per turd. Well, not necessarily per turd, but I use a squatty potty so it comes out of one big long turd. So for me, it's just one turd. And if you don't have a squatty potty, I suggest you get one, mainly because you're going to wipe less. And so you're going to need less toilet paper overall. You can use 2 sheets if you want to, but again, we're trying to conserve toilet paper. But also, because I hear that coronavirus or whatever may cause diarrhea, so if you do have a squatty potty, make sure you get close to the rim because a squatty potty can turn into a shitter spitter if you don't know what's coming out the back end. So if you have any questions, leave them below. You can send me a text at 530 YouTube. And of course, like and subscribe.